What's up, guys? You want to know why you're still not ahead? That's because you haven't figured that life is about life hack. It's not about working hard. It's about working smart. You need to be slick to be able to get the things that matter to you, all right? If you're trying to do the right thing and you're trying to work hard, it's not going to get you anywhere. And that's the reason why a donkey at a farm is not going to get ahead of a fox that knows what's going on and being slick with whatever he's doing, right? And that's how you're going to be able to get ahead with life and get to where you want to be. So you need to understand, take your time and analyze and understand that life is not about working hard. It's about working smart, all right?